Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 7, sound. Students, sound is a form of energy which produces a sensation of hearing, which helps us to see the things. Students, how a sound wave travels? For example, there is a speaker and the sound waves always travels in a longitudinal waves. For example, in the dotted line, these are the longitudinal waves. When the sound comes from the speaker, then it strikes the first layer, then the first layer strikes the second layer, and in the same way this process repeats, and at the last layer enters into our ear. With this the sound is produced. Students, when this process continues, sometimes some are closer to each other, longitudinal waves, and some are away from each other. When the layers of air are close to each other, then it is called the compression. And when they are away from each other, then they are called the rarefaction. This is about the sound. Next student is characteristics of sound. First, now is that how a transverse wave is formed from a longitudinal wave. Students, where the longitudinal waves are closer to each other, at that point peak is formed, and at that point where the layer of longitudinal waves are away from each other, then at that point the wave goes down. In the same way this process repeats. Students, sound need a medium to travel. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. Sound need either solid, liquid or gas to travel. Next one is the characteristics of sound. The characteristics of sound. First one is loudness and amplitude, pitch and frequency, and third one is the timbre. Students, the first one is the amplitude and loudness. Students, loudness depends upon the amplitude. If amplitude is high, then the loudness is high. If the amplitude is low, then the loudness is low. See in this figure, the amplitude starts from the mean position, that is called the amplitude. The highest length of the peak from the mean position is called the amplitude. And amplitude always depends upon the loudness. If amplitude is high, then the loudness is high. That means the loudness is directly proportional to the amplitude square. If amplitude is high, then the loudness is high. Next student is factors on which the loudness of sound depends. That on which factors loudness of sound depends. First one is amplitude of wave. If the amplitude is high, then the loudness is high. Next is distance of source of sound. Students, if the distance is far, then the loudness is low because the speaker is far from our ear. If the speaker is near to our ear, then the loudness is more. That means the loudness depends upon the distance also. Next, surface area of sound. Students, loudness also depends upon the surface area. For example, if I strike my finger, then low sound is produced. But if I strike my hand, then high sound is produced. That means in the finger, surface area is less, and on the hand, the surface area is more. That means the loudness depends upon the surface area. And last is sensitivity of the ear. Loudness also depends upon the sensitivity of the ear. Next is units, pitch and frequency. Students, pitch and frequency are related to each other. If the pitch is high, frequency is high. If the pitch is low, then the frequency is low. What is frequency? Frequency is the number of waves present in 1 second. For example, in the first figure, the time is same, amplitude is same, but the number of waves is 3. That means the frequency is low, pitch is also low. In the second, there are 6 waves. That means the frequency is high and the pitch is also high. Next one is the unit of loudness, decibel. Bell is the loudness of sound. It is named after the Alexander Graham Bell, who invented the telephone. The loudness of defined sound is partially measured in decibel, which is 1/3 of the bell. Students, 0 decibel does not mean 0. 0 decibel comes from the loudness of given sound is equal to the loud sound to the reference level. Students, in your book on page number 110, the table is given that whispering is 30 decibel, talking, traffic, industrial humble, siren, rocket launch, or the number in decibel is given. Next student is wavelength. Wavelength is the distance between the two highest peak. Next is pitch and frequency in relation to working of musical instrument, wind membrane and string. That means first one is the wind. Students, in the wind instruments, there are some holes. If we close and open these holes, then different pitch is produced, different type of sound is produced. For example, pitch of sound wind type musical instruments depends upon the length of the air column. How the sound is produced? It depends upon the length of the air column. When the length of the vibrating air column increases, the pitch of the sound produced decreases. The sound in this case becomes flat. To increase the pitch, the length of the vibrating air column is decreased. Next is string instruments. Students, in the string instruments, strings are there. When we pluck the string, then the sound is produced. If we pluck the string lightly, then the amplitude is less, that means the loudness is less. If we pluck the strings in a strong way, then the amplitude is more, then the loudness is more. That means in the string instrument, loudness depends upon the amplitude. Third one is membrane musical instruments. Membrane of the instrument is made to vibrate the tapping by sticking on it. In membrane instruments, the loudness depends upon the tighter and the smaller membrane. If the tighter surface is there, then the loudness is more. If the looser surface, then the loudness is less. Next student, let's do the exercise. First of all, fill in the blanks. Sound travel in air in the form of longitudinal waves. Second is propagation of wave. Third is cycles and oscillations. Fourth one is amplitude. Fifth, meter. Sixth, time period. Seventh, frequency denoted by F and nu. Next, frequency is equals to 1 upon time period. Ninth is timbre and the 10th is louder. Next, first one is true. Second one is false. Because instead of decrease, write down increase. Third one is true. Fourth one is instead of high, write down the low, that is false. Next, again true. 16 true. 17 in place of different, write down the same. And this one is false. Next, true. Next, again true. And the next one is false. Cannot. Write down cannot. Next one is the tuning fork. Students, in tuning fork, there are 2 arms and 1 stem. When we strike it on the rubber pad, then their arms can vibrate. A sound of a single frequency is called a monotone. A tuning fork is the only source of sound which produces sound of single frequency. Different tuning fork produce different type of sound. Next one is timbre. Students, for example, if the frequency is same, amplitude is same, then how we can distinguish 2 diagrams? Then with the help of their figure, that in which diagram is drawn. It is the characteristics which differentiate 2 sounds of the same pitch and same loudness. Next students, let's do the question answers. Open your books of page number 108. Your 33 answer is from the loudness up to the last wave shape and amplitude. Amplitude, first paragraph, is the answer of the 26th. Your 35th answer, factors on which the loudness of sound depends. First one is amplitude of wave. Write down up to the energy, third line energy. Next, second, distance of source of sound up to the third line, weak sound is heard. Next, surface area up first paragraph. Sensitivity of the ear is also first paragraph. This is the answer of the 35th question. Next student, 34th, you have to write down the unit. First of all, second paragraph. Then from the 4th paragraph, 0 decibel does not mean up to the reference level. Next, last paragraph. And your 29th answer is pitch up to the third line, frequency of sound wave. And 28th answer is time period, whole. 27th, write down the definition of the frequency up to from frequency, whole paragraph. Your 32nd answer on page number 111, 32. First of all, write down from the wind type musical instrument. First of all, write down the heading, length of air column. After that, mark from the 4th line when the length of the vibrating air column up to the last line is reduced. 32 second string type musical instrument. First of all, write down the heading tension of a string. After that, write down the paragraph on the 112 page last paragraph, the pitch of the sound up to the sound produced. Next, third, tension of membrane. From the 113 left hand side, tighter and the smaller is the membrane, higher is the pitch up to the time taken. Next students, your 30 answer is timber. Write down the first paragraph. With this, our chapter is finished. Thank you, and your homework is to write down all the question answers on your fair notebooks. Thank you.